The area in square units enclosed by the lines x equal to 2, y is equal to mod of x minus 2 plus 4. The x-axis and the y-axis is equal to. The other lines x equal to 2, x-axis and y-axis are very simple. So we will first focus on this thing. Now, y is equal to mod x is very simple. The graph is something like this. Now, it is not y is equal to mod x, but it is y is equal to mod of x minus 2. Now, that means this shifts towards right. Now, how do we get this thing? Is very simple. If we substitute y is equal to 0, that means x has to be 2. That means this graph shifts towards right side and hence it becomes like this. Now, it is not only y is equal to x minus 2 mod, but we also have plus 4 to it. Hence, the graph shifts vertically upwards. Hence, now if you substitute x is equal to 2 to get this mod as 0, you get y is equal to 4 and x equal to 2, right? That means this graph shifts over here. This point is 2 comma 4. Okay, now let's draw all the 4 lines here. So we have here the x-axis, we have here the y-axis, we have here x equal to 2, and we have here y is equal to mod of x minus 2 plus 4. Okay, so this point is 0 0, this point is 2 comma 0, this point is 2 comma 4. Now if I draw a horizontal line over here, basically this becomes a rectangle whose one side is 2 centimeters and the other side is 4 centimeters, or basically units, 2 units and 4 units. Now, as we have here, this point becomes 0 comma 4 and this point becomes 0 comma 6. So we have here 2 units and 2 units. So area of this triangle by half base into height comes out to be 2 square units, and area of this rectangle comes out to be 4 into 2, that is 8 square units. So the total area becomes 2 plus 8, that is 10 square units. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and share it with your friends who are preparing for CAT and other MBA exams. Please subscribe to the channel to get simple solutions for questions appearing in these exams.